Well, the cheapest way to move or just move some furniture is to rent a truck. After all, many of them are advertised at just $19 a day.
Sounds simple, but NBC4 consumer reporter John Matarese looks into the surprise fees many renters are hit with so you don't waste your money.
Ever rent a U-Haul truck, or are you thinking of renting one soon? Well, those low rates lure thousands of people in central Ohio. But as one man found out, hidden fees can really add up. Keith Gibson rented a U-Haul for a recent move because of that sign saying $19 a day. He took good care of it.
You see the inside of the truck is clean.
And returned it on time after a local move. But that $19 truck rang up at $58.00.
Confirmation saying that how much the truck was going to cost, and for today, and it was like close to $60.
But that wasn't the worst part. He says the independent U-Haul dealer then hit him with a $25 cleaning fee.
And it's not about the $25, it's just I did everything I needed to do correctly, and you still saying it's incorrect.
Keith said had he not taken photos, he probably would have just paid the fee and moved on. But he says his pictures specifically show that he left the inside of the truck as clean as when he rented it.
I swept it out. You can see clearly it's clean.
And you cleaned the back of that truck out?
I said I didn't have to sweep it out. I swept it out anyway just because I wouldn't want no problems.
No one was in when we stopped by the dealer, but a manager told us later by phone the cargo area was left dusty and required a cleaning. The website truthinadvertising.org says a $19 U-Haul truck can often cost triple that fee as a result of mileage fees, damage protection, environmental fees, and a cleaning fee, often ranging from $25 to $50.
I said, you got to be kidding me.
A U-Haul corporate spokesman confirms the cleaning charge, saying if additional time and effort is required to prepare the equipment for the next customer, then a $25 fee may be assessed. Bottom line, don't show up with just a $20 bill for a $19 truck. So you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, NBC4.